It's simple. To run an efficient business, you need efficient devices. The Canon imageCLASS LBP236dw balances speedy performance with minimal maintenance. An improved Wi-Fi setup makes for a simple and efficient process. With fast, two-sided printing right out of the box, you can hit the ground running and save paper. Or save time and increase productivity by adding an optional extra paper tray. On the go? No problem. Keep moving and print documents wirelessly using your compatible mobile device. Canon's high-capacity cartridge helps you keep printing longer so you can replace toner less often. Meanwhile, low melting point toner can help minimize power requirements, using less energy and helping to save on costs. Canon's friendly and knowledgeable customer service team provides expert assistance for every level of experience. The imageCLASS LBP236dw works in a way that allows you to do your best work. Canon imageCLASS series. Experience you need from the brand you can trust.